everyone, welcome to Working On It. I'm Dr. A and I'm a clinical psychologist aiming to make your life just a bit more manageable. Remember, the tools and the tidbits that you pick up on this channel are purely educational. They can't replace therapy, but with some practice, they can help you along in your daily life. So let's get started. Today, we'll be working on attractiveness. We already had one video on attractiveness and people wanted to know more about that, how to be more attractive, how to be more magnetic in your life, and I get it. It's all about, you know, feeling more comfortable in your life, feeling like you're presenting the best version of yourself without any insecurity and without anything in the way, basically. Presenting the most honest and best version of yourself to the world, whether that's at work or with romantic partners or socially. We want to create as many opportunities for ourselves as possible. And we know the truth is that people that are seen as attractive do get the most opportunity. So why not figure that out? So these 4 tips that we'll be talking about today are very easy, very practical, and they are scientifically backed ways of appearing more attractive. So let's get into it. The first one is easy breezy, and it is called the cheerleader effect. So basically what it means is that when you are solo, you are not seen as attractive as when you are in a group of people. This goes for both men and women, and there's been studies throughout the years that have replicated those results. So why is that? Well, what happens is the brain doesn't look at things on a detail level. We don't have time for that. The brain processes so much throughout the day, so the brain likes to look at things as a whole. So what happens is when people are in a group, people's, let's say, unattractive qualities or characteristics, basically in a group, get averaged out. So if you are in a group, you are seen as more attractive because, like I said, those unattractive qualities just get sort of canceled out because of the group average, essentially. So how can you use this? Well, you could use it by, let's say you just want to catch up with a friend and that's what the goal is for, just to go out to a bar and catch up with a friend. Who cares if you're with just that friend or a group of people? But let's say your intention is to attract a romantic partner and create more attraction and more opportunities for yourself in a romantic way. That is your goal for the night. Then you might want to think about going out with a few more people. Now, when I say group, I mean this could be 4 people or this could be 10 plus people. Basically more than just a couple. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 plus all works out. It's all in a group and you are more likely to be seen as attractive. Easy breezy. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is kind of the reverse of something called the halo effect. The halo effect is that people who are seen as more attractive are thought of as having better qualities, right? Better characteristics, a better core of who they are. So if somebody's really, really beautiful, they're assigned like, oh, they're probably very sweet or very nice, right? So this is actually the reverse of that. Thank goodness they found to be true, which means if you do have really good qualities, you're kind, you're nurturing, you're a good listener, you're a good friend, your core is good, and you present yourself in the world as that way, you are seen as more attractive. So more attractive people are assigned these kind of qualities, whether they may or may not have these positive characteristics. But like I said, the reverse is true also, that if you present yourself in the world as a good person, if you are a good person with qualities that are socially likable and socially positive, then you will be seen as more attractive than somebody who doesn't have those qualities. So good for the world, good for society, I think. Let's talk about the next 2. The next 2 are very, very practical things that you can do and very easy and simple. So one is owning a dog. I know, it sounds so weird, but it's true. Owning a dog, and I'm assuming owning a pet, I know the science shows owning a dog, but I'm assuming owning a pet in general is seen as more attractive. Why? Think about what owning a pet entails. What are you showing? You're showing that you can take care of something. You have empathy and care for another being, right? And that you're able to commit long term. So not only are you nurturing, but you're someone who can commit. Of course, that's more attractive. It's more attractive in general, and it certainly would be more attractive to a potential romantic partner. So that one makes sense. And the last one, as I'm staring at a red back of my phone and a red laptop bottom keyboard, wearing red is seen as more attractive. Why? Well, red conveys a sense of confidence, a sense of power, and a sense of desire to both men and women. Again, this goes for both. If men wear red, they're seen as more desirable. If women wear red, they're seen as more desirable. Why? I'm not 100% sure. The only theory I have in my mind is red is a very, very flashy, bold color. So if you are a wallflower, if you maybe don't feel that good about yourself, you're most likely not going to wear red. When you wear red, you're saying you're confident, you want people to see you, you're okay with that attention, and who doesn't want somebody who's confident? So those four, you are seen as more attractive in a group. You are seen as more attractive if you have good qualities, positive, kind qualities. You are seen as more attractive if you own a dog, and if you wear red. Like I said, very, very simple, but very doable, and things that can sort of be swirling around up there, and maybe next time you go with the intention of being more magnetic, something to think about. Now go and check out my first video on attractiveness, how to appear more attractive. I think the video is called How to Be More Attractive, so you could check that out, and maybe you can combine the knowledge of that with the knowledge of this and go on to have a really, really great, beautiful, magnetic, attractive summer wherever you go. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday, and in the next video, we're gonna be doing another video about kids. I know some of our viewers are parents or caretakers of kids or teachers, so once in a blue moon, I will post here and there about kids, so that will be our next video. We will be talking about what to do, basically, when kids are stuck. Sometimes kids get stuck in, can I have it? Can I have it? Can I please have it? Why can I have it? Why can I have this toy? Or they get stuck in some fears or worries, and they do what I call circle thinking, just over and over and over again. This is a very, very easy way, an easy trick to teach the kids in your life how to stop and how to shift focus. We will talk all about it next time. Until then, please like this video if you want more content like this, or if you liked this content, and please subscribe. I'm so happy this community is growing. Like I said, it makes me happy most of all to see people wanting to learn things and wanting to work on themselves. There's a lot of things out here on YouTube, but this channel focuses on our inside, right? How to be internally balanced, how to have balance in our life, how to grow and be the best version of ourselves. So please subscribe if you want to be part of this community. I appreciate every single person who subscribes, every single person that is here to work on themselves. Until then, you got this. See you next time.